constantly losing money in crypto? That's because your subconscious keeps triggering impulsive, emotional clicks. You enter on FOMO. You exit on panic. You chase. You over-leverage. You revenge trade. And you call it strategy. Not anymore. Right now, you reprogram the pattern so your rational thinking leads and your execution becomes clean. We begin now. Sit or lie down comfortably. Put on headphones. Let the music play. Follow my voice. If your mind drifts, that's fine. Keep listening. Your subconscious absorbs what matters. For best conditioning, repeat this daily, especially before trading. Take a slow inhale. Let the exhale be longer. Again, inhale. Exhale. The deeper you breathe, the heavier your arms and legs become. The heavier they become, the more your nervous system downshifts. The more you downshift, the clearer you think. The clearer you think, the less you obey impulses. Drop your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Let your hands loosen. The more your body relaxes, the more your mind becomes disciplined. The more disciplined your mind becomes, the easier it is to feel an urge without acting on it. Now name the exact problem. Clean. Precise. FOMO entries. Panic selling. Revenge trading after a loss. Overtrading when you're bored. Compulsively checking charts like the next candle will fix your mood. And here's the reset. You can feel the urge without obeying it. You can feel the spike without clicking. From now on, your body's signals become alerts, not orders. Tight chest, heat in the face, racing thoughts, fast fingers. That pressure to do something. Alert, not order. The stronger the signal, the slower you move. The slower you move, the smarter you decide. The smarter you decide, the more money you keep. You install a gap. A gap between trigger and action. A gap where rules speak louder than emotion. Your internal command is simple. Pause. Breathe. Observe. Decide. Say it inside now. Pause. Breathe. Observe. Decide. The more you repeat it, the more automatic it becomes. The more automatic it becomes, the less the market can hijack your nervous system. Now you install the circuit breaker for impulsive clicks. The moment you feel urgency, you feel the need to fix it. The moment you feel, I must enter now. Your breaker activates. Hands relax. Jaw unclenches. One full exhale. Eyes soften. Then rules. Again, hands relax. Jaw unclenches. Exhale. Eyes soften. Then rules. The more your body relaxes, the more executive control returns. The more executive control returns, the fewer mistakes you make. Now a short rules check rhythm. Quick, clean, non-negotiable. Is this in my plan? Is this a high-quality setup? Is my size disciplined? Is this a clear yes? Or a board maybe? If it's not a clear yes, it's a no. The more you respect no, the more you protect capital. The more you protect capital, the more opportunities you can take later. Without desperation. Now install identity. Not hype. Not ego. Not emotion. Patient. Selective. Consistent. Calm under volatility. You execute the plan. You let probability work. The more you focus on process, the more outcomes improve, the easier it becomes to stay process focused. You do not need to trade every move, you only trade your edge. You accept no trade moments as strength. No trade is a position. The more you stop chasing, the more you start choosing. Now, mental rehearsal. Picture a volatile chart. Fast candles. Sudden wicks. Sharp moves. And you notice the old trigger rising. You label it alert, not order. Then the command, pause, breathe. Observe, decide. Your breaker engages. Hands relax. Jaw unclenches. Exhale. Eyes soften. Then rules. Now you watch yourself skip a low-quality setup. You don't feel deprived, you feel powerful. The more you skip junk, the more you trust yourself. The more you trust yourself, the less you need dopamine clicks. Now imagine a clean setup. Planned, aligned, clear. You enter without adrenaline. You manage without drama. You accept uncertainty without trying to control every tick. If it goes against you, you stay steady. No panic exit, no revenge impulse. If it goes for you, you stay steady. No greed spike, oversizing. Win or loss, you stay neutral. You log it. You learn. You move on. The more neutral you remain, the less you give profits back. The less you give profits back, the more consistent you become. Now, future pace. Tomorrow, before you trade, your body remembers. Pause, breathe, observe, decide. Next week, you notice fewer compulsive checks, more patience, cleaner execution. Next month, you trust yourself because you earned it. You're consistent because you trained it. You don't need perfect predictions. You need clean execution repeated. Now install your pre-trade anchor phrase. Short, sharp, immediate, calm mind, clear rules, clean execution. Again, calm mind, clear rules, clean execution. This is mental training and not financial advice. Trading involves risk. Only trade responsibly. Now come back. Alert, calm. Take a deeper inhale. Exhale slowly. Feel your hands. Feel your feet. Feel the surface beneath you. And lock it in. One last time. Alert, not order. Pause. Breathe. Observe. Decide. Calm mind. Clear rules. Clean execution. Take some time before open your eyes. Let it sink in. This meditation is a mental exercise. Its effect deepens with each repetition. Regular listening strengthens the new inner response. Feel free to use this exercise every evening to calmly conclude your day. Subscribe to the channel now and leave a like so you don't miss any future meditations.